Understanding the vertical bandsaw, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of tools and machinery: the vertical bandsaw. This tool may sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're interested in engineering, woodworking, or just expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. A vertical bandsaw is a type of power saw. It has a long, flexible, and continuous blade that's looped between two wheels. Unlike other saws, the wheels and the blade are positioned vertically. This design allows for intricate cutting and is often used in woodworking, metalworking, and in cutting a variety of other materials. The key features of a vertical bandsaw are its vertical orientation and its continuous loop blade. Understanding the parts of a vertical bandsaw is crucial. The main parts include blade, the long, narrow, and flexible cutting component; wheels, usually two, they hold and move the blade; table, the surface on which the material is placed for cutting; guide, these help in keeping the blade straight during cutting. Each part plays a vital role in the functioning of the bandsaw. Vertical bandsaws are incredibly versatile. They are used for cutting curves and intricate shapes in materials, resawing or cutting thick wood into thinner pieces, performing precision cuts in materials like metal, plastic, and wood. This versatility makes the vertical bandsaw a favorite in many workshops. Safety is paramount when using any power tool. For a vertical bandsaw, important safety measures include wearing safety glasses and hearing protection, ensuring the blade is properly tensioned and guides are adjusted, keeping fingers and hands away from the moving blade, using a push stick for small pieces. Remember, safety first. And that's our journey through the world of vertical bandsaws. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this powerful and versatile tool. Remember, learning about tools not only expands your vocabulary but also opens up a world of practical knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.